This is the District's 2025 Emergency Hurricane Preparedness Exercise. This year we're utilizing lessons learned from Hurricane Debbie, Helene, and Milton to build the exercise and practice deficiencies that we discovered during those events. One of the missions we're practicing this year is at structure S155. We're using an alternate crew to operate the structure to lower the gates to water level. This will simulate an activation of the lower Hillsborough flood detention area, which we did during the 2024 hurricane season. At the Flint Creek structure, we had a crew practicing to use an alternate power supply or a mobile generator to operate the structure in case shore power is lost at the facility. We also had a mission at S160 where our drone unit members from Land Management Bureau and also the Data Collection Bureau performed aerial observation with their drone of structure S160. This is done not only to inspect the structure going into hurricane season, but to also practice drone operation in a post-hurricane environment. Our operations staff and other staff who are learning to operate pumps operate the district's 5 pumps here at the Tampa Service Office. The pumps are operated and staff learned how to perform flood fighting activities in case the district is called to perform flood fighting activities or called to move water throughout the district. The pumps that we have are also able to be deployed to other stakeholders or governmental entities within the state in case they are requested. Our water quality response unit was able to deploy sondes in Lake Tarpon, which is near structure S551, to monitor water quality. This is a proxy event for missions they have fulfilled over the past number of years when governmental agencies have requested help in monitoring water quality in the post-hurricane environment. At structure S159 on the Tampa Bypass Canal, we also practiced a technique where we secure the gates open in case of a power or hydraulic failure by using chains to make sure they remain open. It's an accepted technique and it helps us avoid failure. District operations staff were able to repair culvert number 11 associated with structure S160 and the Tampa Bypass Canal. This culvert was damaged during Hurricane Milton. This portion of the canal is now operational. Structure S160 is being outfitted with a cathodic protection system, which will extend the structure's lifespan by protecting the structural rebar in the concrete portions of the structure in this saltwater environment. We also have a crew of professional engineers and experienced field staff who will do an inspection of the Tampa Bypass Canal. They will note any variations in the structure of the levees and the canal. We also work with our finance department to track costs, practice how to recover money. We're also practicing our procurement. Our procurement people took FEMA trainings that will support the overall mission going forward. The value that this exercise brings to the district is that we become prepared and we practice. We're covering all aspects of our emergency operation, from preparation to response to recovery.